Hi bro learners, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we will see what is comment and how we can use comment in our JavaScript code. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, I have this type of structure and this is the output of my code. Okay, and after that, if I want you or any user to understand this type of what is document dot write and hi, this is a simple text, we can define comment. It is not run with our code, but it provides the information about what we are doing, what the piece of code and function class, anything you use in your code is defined by comment to know other people what you are doing or what you are did in this piece of code. For example, if you are working in a project where two-person are working and some part you done and other person is doing other part, but before knowing the what you did, he cannot do another work or the further work. So that in that case you have to provide comment. In any language we can provide two types of comment: single line comment and multi-line comment. For example, in JavaScript, we use double backslash to provide single line comment. Hi, this is used to print or you can say display in HTML page. ठीक है? Okay. We can comment. Sometime we want to comment some particular code to know the what is error and why it's not working. We can use, or sometime we want this comment this not run at the moment. For example, if you are doing something and you don't want to, this line should not be print, but after some time you need it, so you can provide control plus backslash after clicking here. It is commented and now save this. You can say this is, you can see this is disappeared. If I want to come back or want back again, I just do the same control plus backslash and save. You can see this is the magic. And after that, let's talk about multi-line comment. We can provide multi-line comment with the help of backslash, double star and backslash. Okay, after starting and ending of this star we can provide multi-line comment. For example, I use dummy tag lorem and just cutting this out and pasting here. Let's save this. You can see this, these lines are not affecting our code, but it provides information related to this. Okay, if I want to move this before this comment, it does not affect our code. Let's see. Okay, we can do the same in between, cut it and just paste it here. You can see we can provide comment here also after ending of this and provide the backslash. Hi developer. Okay, let's save this. It not affecting our code. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.